If you are anticipating getting ready for spring cleaning, then you need a list. Joseph and Stacy in Lawrenceville said, we just closed on our first home with your team and received a homeowner's maintenance schedule. Are there things we can jump on now instead of waiting for spring cleaning time? And we've got some suggestions for you. There are lots and lots of things you can do. My suggestions would be just a really quick list. Number one, inspect the inside perimeter and secluded areas of your basement for water seepage from cracked walls or floors or clogged gutters or something like that. More than likely, as a recent buyer of a home, that was already done for you by your home inspector. If you use your fireplace a lot, it's a good idea to have it cleaned at least once a year. Maybe at the end of the season is a good time to do that. Check all smoke alarms and carbon monoxide detectors. That is wonderful. Number 4, cold weather can affect door locks, so it's a good idea to spray them with a lubricant like WD-40, or they make this graphite spray that you spray inside of them, or paste, I guess it is maybe, to keep them from getting stuck. Replace your HVAC filters every 30 days, even during the coldest days of winter. Check your garage door's auto reverse feature to make sure it is operating properly. Number 7, inspect your gutters and roof for ice, broken branches, or other debris. Shouldn't have too much ice. Here in Metro Atlanta, number 8, clean your stove and oven of grease and avoid the risk of fire. Number 9, clean all the vents, including the one in your dryer. That is a very important one to do. Number 10, maintain the water heater by checking the temperature and pressure relief valve. I think you can actually go, and they suggest that you take the top of that valve and just spin it around. If it is stuck and won't spin, I think they say the valve has gone bad. If it will spin, you should be in good shape. And then the last thing, if your home feels chilly, add weather stripping to doors and windows. These are all kinds of good things that you can do.